Currently, this carrier screw compressor from the 06T series has been completely disassembled. The roller bearing race on the high-pressure end is entirely indented, nearly 1 mm deep. Additionally, the radial penetration of one screw is excessive. Its rotor lobe and the compression chamber have experienced severe scoring, and have worn down by about 50 thou approximately 40 to 50 thou. Let's look at its compression chamber. The entire interior is scored all over with grooves and indentations, completely scored. Furthermore, the end face on the high-pressure side and the end face of the male and female rotors can undergo dry friction, and it is also indented. In this episode, we will share with friends the assembly process of repairing this carrier screw compressor from the 06T series.